I don't know, this makeup is making me feel some kind of way. Like, I should start talking like this? Maybe? Or maybe not. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today we're going to do some Euphoria makeup. I love Euphoria. It's the only thing I've been able to think about since season 2 came out. It's so good. Euphoria to me is more than a show, it's a lot of inspiration. Like, I get fashion inspo, but it's mostly makeup inspo because the makeup on the show is chef's kiss, amazing, incredible. But there's one specific look that I've been wanting to recreate for a while now, so I rewatched season 1 to just, get in the mood for season 2, and I saw this look, this like neon graphic liner that Kat wears in one of the episodes. I'm gonna pop the picture right here. I'm looking at it right here on my computer, and it's very graphic, it's very neon. It goes all around, so it wraps around the entire eye. You can't see that in this picture, but I saw it in the episode. But anyways, this is the look that I'm gonna try to recreate today. I'm gonna give it my own twist, make it a little more wearable because I'm not as talented with eyeliner as the makeup artists in the show are. But I think it's gonna be fun, and I like to try new things every once in a while. So I'm so excited, and if you want to see how I do, then let's keep on watching, shall we? Hopefully it's not a disaster. Okay, we're starting off with the eyes, and what I'm gonna be using today is the Suva Beauty Yuli Taffies palette. There's some water in here because these are water activated, so I can't really tip it, but I'm gonna be using this green one right here. It's slightly more pastel than the neon that Kat is wearing, but that's fine. We're gonna make do with what we have. I'm gonna do the eyes first because this is going to be challenging, and I'm probably gonna need to do a lot of cleanup. Okay, so here's the game plan. I'm just gonna do like a line all over my upper lash line, and then I'm gonna do a line all over my lower lash line, and then find a way to connect the two. I think that's gonna be the most safe option. I'm gonna try to speed this up so you don't have to see me here struggle for approximately 3 hours, but yeah, let's go. I look absolutely fucking crazy right now. Okay, now that we have a rough draft, okay, we have the rough draft here. I'm gonna try to do like the inner corner. Okay, now that I've got the inner corner kind of sorted out, it's time to do the wing. And since I connected these two, I'm just gonna follow a wing and see how it goes. Okay, it's not so bad. It's not the best, but it's not so bad. Okay, so this is kind of like the general idea, the outline. It's looking a little messy right now, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get some micellar water and try to clean this up as best as I can, and then I'll come back, see how we like it, tweak it a little bit, But this is like the basic idea of the look, okay? Don't judge me. Hopefully it'll look better in a few minutes. Okay guys, it just took me like 95 hours to clean up, and the way I did that is just with some micellar water, Bioderma for life, and another tiny brush, and I just went over the edges to clean things up. That's the easiest for me. You could also do like Q-tips or like a makeup remover wipe if that works better for you, but this is just foolproof. And you can also go in with concealer if you don't feel like you need to clean up a lot. But yeah, that's basically what I did. Just trying to make sure everything looks as good as possible. Does it look perfect? No, it does not. But I think it looks good enough, right? Okay, and after we're done with the liner, it's time for some mascara. It doesn't look like she's wearing anything crazy. I don't even know if she's wearing any mascara, but we are wearing some mascara because I feel like the look needs it. I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara, and I'm just gonna apply like a thin coat, nothing too dramatic. I really want the color and the liner to like shine through. Okay, once mascara is done, the eyes are actually complete. That's it. Now it's time to move on to the rest of the face. So looking at her face makeup, it almost looks like she's wearing absolutely nothing. It's pretty flat, and I think that's because they want the eye products to shine, but I do just want to even out the skin a little bit and just add a bit of dimension. So I'm gonna keep it super, super natural, but you know, we still wanna add a little something, right? So for my base, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops. I have mine in number 5. And I'm just gonna apply this with my hands. So we're gonna have to be very careful around the eyeliner though, because we don't wanna F it up. To conceal, I'm adding a slight bit of the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. I have mine in Fair 1W. And I'm just gonna add this very lightly with a brush because of the situation we have around the under eyes. To make sure that everything is set in place, I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. I have mine in Breezy. This one's great because it sets, it takes the shine away, but it doesn't leave me looking flat. I don't want that, and we just want more of a satin skin because, as I mentioned, she has a really, really clean complexion. So we want to go for that as well. In the reference picture, I don't really see any like bronzer or anything like that. Her skin really does look bare, or maybe they took this before she had her skin done. But anyways, we're just gonna go in with some bronzer, like some light bronzer, just to add a little bit of structure to the skin and make me look not super flat. I'm gonna take the Maybelline City bronzer. This one's in 100, and I like this one because it is very, very light, so it's gonna barely give us anything, and that's exactly what I'm going for this one. And then to add a little bit of highlighter, and I mean the slightest bit of highlighter, I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario Master Secret Glow Highlighter in Expensive. What a long name. This is literally just a gloss, and I'm gonna grab the tiniest bit of this and just hit it in the high points to add a little bit extra dimension without any more color or coverage or anything like that. Okay, now that like the skin is complete, let's move on to do some brows. Kat's brows are unreal. She has very bushy, very beautiful, naturally strong brows, and mine aren't quite like that, but I'm gonna fake it. I'm using the Patrick Ta tinted shaping wax, and I'm just gonna use this because again, we're going for more of an editorial look, so I'm just gonna use this to push the brows up and add a little bit of color to them. Okay, now that the brows are looking slightly crazy, let's move on to the lips. For her lips, she has kind of like a berry red tint, and they're very glossy. First, just gonna line them with my Make It Forever Artist Color Pencil and Endless Cacao, just to make sure that I have a lip. And then to achieve the lip color, I'm gonna go in with the Lime Creme Plushies in Cherry Soda, which is this like berry red. And I'm just gonna apply this with my finger as more of a stain. We don't want it to be like full on. And I think this is a perfect product for that. And then for the finishing touch, a little bit of my Tire 28 Chill Shine On Lip Jelly. And just stamp it on top. Okay, and once the lips are done, all that's left to do is add a little bit of setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter. And once we've applied, then the look is complete. Let me zoom you guys in and we can chat about it a little bit. Okay, and this is the final look up close. Obviously, the makeup is not exactly the same as I told you. I was gonna change up the eyeliner a little bit because I didn't want to go as graphic, obviously, because I don't know how to do that and it would have taken me even more time, but I think it looks fire. I think it looks really good. The color's almost the same. Kat's is a little darker, mine's a little more neon, but I love it. I love how clean the skin is. I love the slightly bitten, stained lips. I love everything about this look. I think I did good. It took me a while, but we got there. We persevered and we got there. And I love this look. I mean, if you saw me on the street, you'd definitely think I was an extra in Euphoria, right? Like, you would definitely think that. And that, ladies and gents, is a wrap on today's video. can I just say I'm obsessed with this look? I love it. I told you guys I was gonna get more out of my comfort zone this year, and this is definitely completely out of my comfort zone makeup-wise, but I think it looks so cool, and I definitely want to do more of these in the future. Let me know what you guys think. Did I do the look justice? Does it look similar, or did I just like completely botch it? And while we're in the topic of Euphoria, let me know what your favorite makeup look has been so far and what your favorite episode has been so far. All I know is I love Fesco and Lex, but it's hard to pick a favorite episode. If you have one, let me know down below. And let's keep discussing Euphoria on Instagram, because I'm always talking about that shit on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and we can continue our Euphoria discussions there. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun, and I hope you get inspired by this look as much as I did when I saw it on the series. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I love you guys, and I will see you right here for my next one, okay? Bye, everybody. Mwah.